Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this new for 2025 Matchbox Little Dumper. It looks like, I don't know how close it is to a real vehicle. Looks like a nice real casting from mainline. And I'm also digging the card. This is a new card for Matchbox. So it's a different design. Just for reference, let me pick some older cards. If you see this one, this is the older car where the background lower down was white in the back, but here it's more of the printed one, and I think I saw this on few of the new Matchboxes. So yeah, I'm excited. Even the Matchbox logo here, it looks slightly different from what you used to see. Again, for reference, if you see there, the fonts are almost same, but they seem to have a background here, or like shadow, which these didn't have. So I think Matchbox might be trying new logos. Okay, let's open it up, see how does it look. For people who are watching my channel, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, subscribe. If you have any suggestions, please drop that in the comment. If you like my videos, also leave a comment. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the dumper out of its packaging. And the first interesting thing you will notice is this moves. So you got a mainline casting with a moving part. Good job, Matchbox. So let's move on to the details. So apparently driver's seat is here. You can also see the steering wheel. Some other details like the floor has diamond pattern, which you see normally on most of the construction equipments. You got a step here. You can get details. Like the wheels, nothing special here, but they have this yellow outline which matches the paint job. Also, the yellow paint job like most of the construction equipments. And I don't know if the camera can focus, but you can see some stickers here. It says Matchbox, it says mini side dumper, and number 10 there. I don't know what does that mean. Rear, again, you got some details, like this looks like an exhaust vent. This is like a hood to open up to access the engine, but no detailed tail lamps. It's a single seater, so no driver or passenger side, but I think these are exhaust. I don't know, but on the packaging it shows there are lights here on the top, but I don't see any details. Again, step on the other side too, looks good. You also got the mud flaps here on both the sides. Again, nice detail. And you have the Matchbox embedded, like the logo embedded in the bucket of the dump truck. Down there, these are the headlamps. Again, not detailed, but can be easily detailed. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So you got the metal logo. Sorry, this way. You got the metal logo. It says Thailand. Nothing else there. So overall, I think I like this. I have had few construction equipments by Matchbox which they released recently, and I'm glad they are doing a great job with it. I think all of them have some kind of moving parts. Someone have moving buckets, some of them are moving arms. So yeah, it's a good casting, I would say, especially if you like collecting Matchbox and Hot Wheels, and a good casting for 2025. Few added details and it will look even better. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.